Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some very basic regex. We're going to do some matching. So I'm going to create a subroutine here called matching. Okay, and I'm going to create a scalar variable called string, and I'm going to assign it a phrase. Hello, how are you? That's the phrase. And what we're going to do is we're going to match a word out of the string. It could be any word. So now I'm going to say I'm going to print out a message to the user. Enter word to match. And next I'm going to create my scalar entry, assign it to prompt. This will get the user input. And then we're going to do a conditional. If scalar string, and we're going to do the matching operator here. Paste that in, so that's two of these, and this will match. Do a / scalar entry. If it matches the entry, then we're going to do something. We're going to print out a message to the user. So if the entry, what I've typed in, matches something in the string, we're going to say entry is in string. And if it doesn't match anything in the string, I'm going to use the else, the catch-all here. We're going to tell the user that. Simply entry is not in string. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program. It's called matching. Okay, let's save it now. Let's come down to the prompt here, and we're going to run it. Okay, let's run it. The prompt. Did you mean prompt? Yes, I meant prompt. Whoops, little typo there. Let's save that again. Let's clear it and run it. Okay, so here we go. Raku, new.raku. Hit enter. Okay, so enter a word to match. So I'm going to enter this word here, how. Let's see if it matches it. How. Entry is in string. Very good. Okay, so let's run the program again. Raku, new.raku. Hit enter. Now I'm going to enter a word that isn't in the string. So some random word like today. Hit enter. And there you go. Entry is not in the string. So there you go, everybody. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that's been helpful to you. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, it's easy to do. It's that red and white button below. Make sure you hit it and give it a big thumbs up before you go. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.